गुड मॉर्निंग ट्रेडर्स। तो कल के निफ्टी का डिस्कशन करते हैं। कल निफ्टी में क्या हो सकता है और क्या सपोर्ट एंड रेजिस्टेंस लेवल्स हैं, निफ्टी में क्या पोजीशंस कल के लिए आप प्लान कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, तो वी विल लुक इनटू द चार्ट्स, वी विल सी ऑल द स्ट्रक्चर इट इज मेकिंग एंड हाउ एफआई डीआई इज परफॉर्मिंग, हाउ ओपन इंटरेस्ट इज परफॉर्मिंग. So we will look into it one by one. Let's see and jump to the screen and let's plan tomorrow's trade. So we are going to perform a top to bottom analysis. So what we are going to do, basically we are going to look into the higher frames. We will start from 4 hour and then we will move to 1 hour, 30 minutes and 15 minutes for intraday purpose. Okay, so this will be our motive. Now if we look into 4 hour time frame right now, we are able to see here, this is the trend line which is providing a really good support throughout, like for past 6 months. Okay, so this is a really good trend line, we can say. Okay, so right now market is very far from it, so we need not to worry about this zone for now. Okay, so on the higher side, this is the resistance zone. I would say 22,750, that is all time high, would be our resistance zone. Okay, so market is also have created a intermediate resistance zone, that is 22,600. Okay, so on higher time frame we are not able to see much of the things here. Okay, let's move to the down time frame and we will see at 1 hour time frame what market is making levels and all. ठीक है, अगर हम 1 आवर टाइम फ्रेम पे यहाँ चेक करते हैं तो 1 आवर टाइम फ्रेम पे वी आर एबल टू सी दैट मार्केट इज मेकिंग दिस लेवल as a resistance zone, and market after coming to this trend line gave a really good momentum to the upside, and after that it has not been corrected so far. Okay, correction has not come so far. Only in the last trading session we saw that there was a correction, little bit of correction was there. Okay, so here we can see that this zone will be our support zone. Okay, and this zone is 22,475. So this is our support zone as well as resistance zone. Okay, we can see here this one is our good support and resistance zone that I have marked with the dotted lines. Okay, let's move to the 30-minute time frame, and here we can see the possible resistance and support zones here. So we can see that this point that is 22,600 is a good resistance zone, as well as 22,752 is also a good resistance zone. On the lower side we can see this 22,374 is a support point, because here if we see it has also provided a resistance at this zone. Okay, on lower side we can see 22,214 is also our good support point, because market fall and then this level was able to hold it properly and market moved to the upside after that. Okay, this level that is 22,097 is also a good support point. Okay, so we are able to find some good support and resistance point in the charts. Okay, so now what can be in the next trading hour, let's see that thing. Okay, let's activate the EMAs also. We will see the market is now trading at 200 EMA. Okay, so market, we are able to see here, market is now trading at 200 EMA, this one. So market can take a support also from here, because this 200 EMA has been providing a good support as well as resistance. Alright, so market can take a support and go to the upside. If market takes a support here, then it is going to make a higher high again, and there is a high probability that it will be touching this 22,750 levels again. Alright, but as we already talked that this, after this huge momentum from like 21,770, there has not been any correction and some profit booking. Okay, so I am expecting there can be some profit booking also here, and market might come to the downside and touch this 2214 के लेवल्स. ठीक है, तो ये हमारा अभी अगर हम RSI चेक करते हैं, यहाँ पर RSI का वैल्यू भी इट इज below 50. Okay, RSI is also below 50. That shows weak bulls. Okay, market if breaks to the 40 level to the downside, I would say bears will be in the power. If market goes below 40, in that case market will be in the control of bears. So I would say if market is 40 to 60, I would say कि market is sideways because वीक बुल्स. ओके, मार्केट अगर 640 के लेवल को ब्रेक करके नीचे की तरफ जाता है तो बेरिश हो जाएगा. ठीक है, सो अभी तक हमारा ये कंक्लूजन है. नाउ लेट्स जंप टू द ओआई डेटा एंड वी विल सी व्हाट ओआई डेटा इज सेइंग. ओके, ओआई डेटा एंड लेट्स जंप टू द ओआई डेटा नाउ. ओके, so here we are able to see Nifty. Alright, if we see in Nifty on last trading day there was a huge call writing on the upper side. There is a huge addition. Alright, on the lower side even some of the puts got winded up. Okay, lower side there was not any new addition of the calls. Alright, तो अगर मैं यहाँ पर OI चेंज चेक नहीं करता हूँ तो यहाँ पे मैं देख पा रहा हूँ कि जो न्यू पोजीशंस ऐड हुआ है, न्यू पोजीशंस सारे के सारे लोगों ने हायर लेवल्स पे कॉल राइटिंग की है. अगर कॉल राइटिंग की है दैट मीन्स कि बियर्स इन लास्ट सेशन वाज वेरी हैवी. ऑलराइट, सो मार्केट में PCR की अगर वैल्यू चेक करते हैं दैट इज 0.76 and it has fallen from 0.98 to 0.76. that means bears अपनी positions को continuously market में increase कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, ओवरऑल OI डेटा की अगर हम बात करते हैं यहाँ पर हायर लेवल्स पे if we check on 22,500 के लेवल्स, 22,500 का लेवल is having a very good resistance. alright, and 22,600 is also having good resistance. Higher levels पे अगर हम check करें तो peaks are already high, so heavy call writing is there. On lower levels if we check, significant lower support points are there. So if this point 22,400 break to the downside, then market is highly probable to go to the downside only because these levels are weak and it can be broken easily. Alright, so let's jump to the FII data. What FII data is saying. Alright, so if we see into the FII data, this FII is strong bullish, is strong bearish, and pros are strong bearish, mild bearish. So clients are strong bullish. So because these pro players might want to hit the client's stop loss, so for that market if closed here, it is going to go gap down. Alright, if market is going to go gap down, it is going to open nearby somewhere 200 EMA. Alright, so if 200 EMA gives a good support point there, market might bounce back to the upside and it may end up to the sideways. But if in case market continues to the momentum to the downside, in that case market is going to give us a target of these levels. I would say 22,214. These levels are easily achievable if market comes down and break to this level. Okay, but there is a possibility. We already saw OI data is saying that market is going to be a gap down. Alright, if market is going to be a gap down, market is going to open somewhere here. If it continues the bearish momentum, it can come to the 22,214, and then if it breaks this one, but there is not high possibility to breaking down to this one. Okay, I would say for next day this is the only target, and if market goes bearish again, market can go to the 97 के लेवल पे अगेन, ठीक है. बट दिस इज केस वन. Okay, this is case one. This is highly probable for next trading day. All right. So what can be a case two? If market opens nearby here and then takes a support to the upside. If it takes the support to the upside, market can continue and it is going to go with higher high. Okay, it is going to go higher high and again going to touch the level of say 22,750. All right, so it is going to go like this. Okay, बट मार्केट में कल के लिए क्योंकि बियर्स बुल्स का हम ऑलरेडी चेक कर चुके हैं, बुल्स आर वीक. ओके, इफ बुल्स आर वीक, इन दैट केस टू gain the control for bulls, I would say it would take some time and market is going to be a sideways. Okay, so next session either it is going to be a sideways in this region, or if market continues to the downside it can touch to the levels of 22,214 for tomorrow target and for further targets 22,000 के लेवल्स हमें अगेन देखने के लिए मिल सकते हैं. ठीक है, so this is all for tomorrow. I hope things are clear. If you have any doubt, please feel free to comment. I would be happy to answer your questions. Okay, so make good decisions, happy trading and good luck for tomorrow.